Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the course Engineering Chemistry. Myself Dr. Harika Patnala, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In the previous class, we have discussed about the zinc air battery. What is the construction, working and the applications of the zinc air battery and how it is used as a reserve battery. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the lithium metal battery. Lithium metal and metal ion batteries are available in the market. Lithium metal battery is a primary battery. Lithium metal ion battery is a secondary battery. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the lithium metal battery. Let us the overview of a lithium metal battery. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the introduction, how the lithium metal battery works and classification of lithium metal batteries, what are the three types of the lithium metal batteries based on the anode, cathode and the electrolyte. And among them, one of them is primary lithium metal battery soluble cathode cells and its advantages and its applications. All these we are going to discuss in today's class. Let us go through the lithium metal battery introduction. Lithium metal is an attractive battery. Lithium metal acts as an anodic material. It's an anodic material. Lithium oxidizes. Because of its lightweight, high voltage, high electrochemical equivalence. It is having lightweight, high voltage, high electrochemical equivalence and good conductivity. Because of these outstanding features, the use of lithium has dominated the development of the high performance of primary and secondary batteries during the last 2 decades. Lithium primary cells and the batteries have been designed in number of different chemistries. In variety of sizes are available and with different configurations. Size ranges from 5 milliamperes to 10,000 ampere hours. Ranges from small coin size to cylindrical cells. For memory backups and portable applications, these are used in various memory backups and portable applications. Let us see the classification of lithium metal battery. The classification of the lithium metal battery is mainly depends upon the cathode and the electrolyte used. Cathode and the electrolyte used. Here in all these different types of lithium metal battery, the anode is lithium. Anode is lithium. The difference or the variation lies mainly on the cathode what we have used, either solid or the gaseous or the liquid state or the electrolyte which we have chosen, either organic or inorganic. Lithium primary batteries can be classified into several categories based on the type of the electrolyte and the cathodic material which we have used. Let us see the lithium metal battery as a primary battery and their classifications based on first one is soluble cathodic cells. Soluble cathodic cells is nothing but here the cathode is made up of either liquid or gas. SOCl2. Thionyl chloride we are going to use. The anode is lithium only. The electrolyte is any organic or inorganic electrolytes. These use liquid or gaseous cathodic materials such as sulfur dioxide or thionyl chloride, in which in soluble cathodic cells the cathode is thionyl chloride that dissolves in the electrolyte. This is the example we have taken in today's class, which acts as a primary battery, which is having good shelf life and long standing at higher and lower temperatures. The next type of variation is solid cathode cells. Here the anode is same as lithium. The cathode is vanadium pentoxide V2O5, which is a solid material. With these solid cathodic materials V2O5, the cells have the advantage of not being pressurized. If it is gas or liquid, it may be pressurized, but because of the solid material, the cathodic material, because of which there is an advantage of not being pressurized or necessarily requiring a hermetic type seal. Hermetic type seal is nothing but airtight seal, waterproofing, completely concealed, which is completely sealed, airtight and waterproofing. but they do not have the high rate capability of the soluble cathodic systems. But they do not have high rate capabilities. Withstanding temperatures are also very less when compared with soluble cathodic cells. Soluble cathode cells can withstand up to minus 80 degrees, but this cannot. The next type is solid electrolyte cells. Here, the electrolyte is nothing but solid, which we have chosen is solid electrolyte. The solid electrolyte materials are lead iodide, lead sulfide or lead. These cells are noted for their extremely long storage life, in excess of 20 years. So the lifespan is 20 to 25 years by using the solid electrolyte cell, in which the electrolyte is made up of solid, but are capable of only low rate discharge in the microampere range. These are having very long shelf life, low discharge rate. These are used in pacemakers, because pacemakers which should be sustainable for long life. These are used in applications such as memory backups and cardiac pacemakers. So this is all about the classification of lithium metal battery, which acts as all these solid cathodic cells, soluble cathodic cells or solid electrolyte cells, all these three types which acts as a primary battery, which are not rechargeable. Let us take an example of solid cathodic cells in which the anodic metal is lithium, where the lithium is oxidized. It is an electrochemical equivalency where lithium is oxidized and gives one electron. Lithium ion and electron. The cathodic metal is liquid or gas. We are going to choose as a thionyl chloride SOCl2. The electrolyte is inorganic or organic solvents. Most probably we are choosing inorganic solvents, lithium complex compounds. Let us see the cell reactions. In the cell reaction, each lithium is going to release one electron. 4 lithium ions with 4 electrons are going to reduce thionyl chloride to sulfur dioxide. Thionyl chloride SOCl2. The product is lithium chloride, which is a product, and sulfur dioxide. A layer will be formed. It is lithium. During the chemical reaction between the lithium and thionyl chloride, a protective layer will form between the lithium and lithium thionyl chloride, which improves the shelf life of this battery. Overall reactions are 4 lithium metal atoms and 2 thionyl chlorides gives rise to 4 lithium chlorides. Sulfur and sulfur dioxide is a byproduct. Due to the nature of the reaction between the lithium and thionyl chloride, cells possess very high energy density. So, the chemical reaction between lithium and thionyl chloride, which improves the shelf life, the reactivity between these two, which shows the impact on the shelf life and its storage, and nothing but its energy density. The discharge voltage is 3.3 to 3.5 volts. The discharging voltage is 3.3 to 3.5 volts. These soluble cathode lithium cells are used for low to high discharge rates. This can be used from minus 80 to 70 degrees centigrade. These batteries can work, having life up to 10 years. These are having life up to 10 years. These are noted for their high power density and are capable of delivering the high current densities and any active primary cell. This is very active primary cell. Most of them will choose soluble cathodic cells in many applications, in small devices like portable devices like lights, calculators, watches and everything. Let us move to the advantages. Advantages of the lithium cells. The first advantage of these primary cells of high voltage. Lithium batteries have voltage about 4 volts, where the general batteries will have the general primary batteries. General primary batteries will have the voltage about 1.5 volts. So, depending upon the cathodic material, compared with 1.5 volts for most of the other primary battery systems, these primary lithium metal batteries which can give the 4 volts of energy. So we can reduce the number of cells. So we can reduce the size, because if we use a primary battery of 1.5, we require more than 2 cells. If we use a lithium metal battery, in place of 2, we can use only 1 cell. The size has been reduced, which can give the more output. High specific energy and energy density. The next advantage is the energy output of a lithium battery is over 1 kg is 200 watt hours, and per 1 liter is 400 watt hours. The density is high, is 2 to 4 times more better than the conventional zinc-aid batteries. When compared with the zinc-aid batteries, it is 2 to 4 times more higher in energy density. So its long life has been increased. Operation over a wide range of temperature. These batteries can work from minus 70 or minus 80 to plus 100 or above that degrees centigrade. Many of the lithium batteries will perform over a temperature range from minus 70 to 40, with some capable performance of to 180 or low as minus 80. So minus 70 to maximum, most of them are up to 40. Some specially at 100 to 150. Okay, good power density. Next advantage. Some of the lithium batteries are designed with the capable to deliver their energy at higher current and power levels. Let us move to the next advantage is shelf life. Superior shelf life. When compared with other primary batteries, lithium metal primary batteries can be stored for long periods even at elevated temperatures. Storage of up to 10 years at room temperature has been achieved, and storage of 1 year at 70 degrees has also been demonstrated. Shelf lives over 20 years have been projected from reliability studies. From the further studies, it shown that if you change the solid cathodic material, the shelf life may increase to 20 years. Let us see the applications. These are having wide range of applications, portable devices in case of primary batteries. So these are used as memory backups, security devices, portable electronic equipments, photographic equipments, watches, calculators, and small lights. These are the primary lithium metal batteries can be used in all the primary batteries in place of remaining primary batteries. These are having more advantages because it's having more shelf life. More shelf life. If you see that the advantages are high voltage, high specific energy, operating over a wide range of temperature. For the Indian climates also, this is the lithium metal battery is suitable. Good power density, superior shelf life. These are the applications. Summary. In today's class, we have discussed about the introduction to lithium metal battery. Lithium metal battery. Why it is superior? What is the advantage of the lithium metal? Always lithium acts as the anode. It gives only one electron. Lithium is going to be oxidized lithium plus one electron. And the anode is lithium is fixed. The life of the lithium metal battery mainly depends upon the cathodic material and the electrolyte we used. Cathode and the electrolyte we have used. There are soluble cathodes or solid cathodes. Soluble cathodes, these are the cathodes which are soluble in electrolyte. These are having different advantages, having over range of temperature it works, and it is having good shelf life. And solid cathodes, example V2O5. It also work at a range of temperature not superior than the soluble cathodes. And the third one is electrolyte, solid electrolyte, PbI2 or Pb, lead sulfide or lead. There are the three types of lithium metal batteries based on the cathode and electrolyte. One is solid cathodic cell, soluble cathodic cell, and solid electrolyte cell. And we have discussed about the soluble cathodic cell in which the anode is lithium, the cathode is thionyl chloride, and the electrolyte is inorganic or organic. And we have studied about the advantages, its shelf life, its power density, energy density, its working temperature, nothing but operating temperature, and its applications, variable applications, in maximum in our air conditioner, remote batteries, everything, video cameras, everything, the portable batteries which are either cylindrical or button type, which is having waterproof or airproof, completely concealed, airtight, which are available in small sizes, as small as possible. Because of this, all about the lithium metal. With this, we have concluded in today's class. In next class, we are going to discuss about the lithium metal ion battery, which is a secondary battery. Thank you.